Hey, this is Dave Rexroth. Look at your forecast here to finish off the weekend now. Showers are going to be a problem for a while. I think most of the rain falls between 8 and 2, 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Today. Maybe a little rumble of thunder, but mostly just showers passing by. So if you're going to be out and about, by 9 o'clock, 66. We got rain, 68 at noon. Still showers around. Our high today is 73. After 2 o'clock, there could be a leftover shower here and there, but most of the rain again done by 2 o'clock. Maybe a peak of sunshine as we get toward the evening. 55 tonight, mostly cloudy. Clouds break up toward morning, and 74 on Monday. There's a little breeze, west-northwest at 10 to 20, making sure we don't get too warm. But it's nice to have the sunshine back, partly to mostly sunny. So Sunday is a little iffy and looks like we'll stay in the 70s most, if not all, of this week. It is warmer toward the weekend, though.